Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Alex. I'm back, and I'm here to share last night's trade, 110 pips. We called it out yesterday. If you look over here and you looked at my newest video, 45 people did so far. Oops, sorry. If you looked at the video, we called this out to a T. Everything. I even gave you the TPs before. I gave you TP1, TP2, TP3, and price just completely flew 110 pips from where I entered. Price, broke down, right? When I broke down the video, price was here. Sorry, I said that backwards. When we broke down the video, price was here, and I'm gonna explain to you the events, the series of candles and events that happened after that led me to definitely go long. I have one, one little area marked off, and I'm gonna show you guys why I took this trade and how we gained 110 pips on GJ. So we're here back on the H4 on Gbpjpy, and I'm going to take you guys exactly to where I broke down the video and posted it last night. So if you come over here, you're going to see that price had broken above, created a higher line, and a higher high, sorry, and is coming down to retest previous market structure area, very valid area support and resistance across the board, as you see over here, very valid. You go to the 4-hour, we even break above in the 4-hour, we come down and we look to retest. So last night when we were analyzing the trade, it was around 8, 9, so it's these two candles. We are here when I drop down the video and I'm breaking the video, right? When I'm breaking down Gbpjpy. So what had happened since, right, was I'm gonna skip to through 2 a.m. because I'm not gonna take nothing, right? We're gonna skip to around right here, 12 o'clock, and this is the one candle. 1 o'clock candle is right here. So right now is pre-London. I'm not really looking to take a trade, but London is at 3 a.m. So whatever happens from here on out, I'm going to look and see what is going to be set up for me, right? And what I mean by that is in the 2 hours that is pre-London, something's gonna happen that's gonna let me know I'm definitely going long. So when we broke down the video, we were retesting, we come back up. This is about 2 hours after the video dropped, and we get a couple things that made me definitely go long. First is the H1 comes back down after retesting, right? So price comes back down here, comes up, pulls back, and in session, right, during session, we actually come down and retest the area a second time. We are now in session retesting it, and we also retested the 50 EMA on the 1 hour, right? So we're going to break it down to a lower time frame too. We're going to go down to all the way to the 5 minute and really break down our entry. So when we got to be really, we got to be like precise here. We got to be, we got to have patience. So 2 a.m. candle opens. We have news. We're retesting again, right? And then we start to pull back, right? And then we create this little mini higher low, right? This is the 5 minute. We create a low here, and then we get a little higher low after retesting this area. We're retesting this area now. We're getting our first higher low. If price continues to create more higher lows on the lower time frame, that's going to lead me to think that this is going to be the beginning of the bullish run, right? Because we're looking for longs here at this area of interest to go long because of market structure, because of the daily time frame confluences. If you guys want to know why I wanted to go long, I did break it down in the other video, but this is going to tell me that this is going to be the beginning of a bull run, right? We're going to have to keep with market structure. We're going to have to keep up with market structure. Price comes up, right? Creates, keeps going bullish because keeps getting bullish. Price pulls back and then gives us another higher low right here. Oops. It gives us another higher low right here. And this is all after I've decided where I'm going to go. And I decided where I'm going to go long. And now I'm looking for my entry. So now I have two higher lows, right? As soon as price gives me some type of price action signal, I'm going to go long. So here it is. Here's a bearish candle. And as we break this bearish candle and engulf it, I'm going to go long. The reason why is because I want an engulfing candle. When we come up here, we got our confirmation right here. Now we want an engulfing candle. We really didn't get it until up here because we just went bullish. We come up, we retest, and now we're breaking that bearish candle again, right? So we're gonna go along here. We're gonna go along here. We're gonna put our stops under this area right here because it's under structure. We're going to come over to the 15-minute and we're going to set our TPs, right? So our TPs, whoops, our TPs are going to vary. So the previous H4 high is going to be our first TP, as you see over here. That's going to be TP1. Our second area of take profit is going to be a wick that we have marked off all the way to the left. And our third TP is the overall area that we originally predicted to reach. Why? Because after price comes down and retest the supply and demand area, we always come up to touch 169.000. So we're going to play it out. We're going to ride all the way to our high TPs. And actually, we're going to get rid of these lines and kind of just see the bigger picture. And price just completely goes bullish and hits take profit at around 11:15 a.m. 116. It was actually 110 pips. I might have the risk reward wrong. Big, huge trade to start the week. Beautiful trade. And yeah, I hope you guys found some value out of today and yesterday's breakdown. That's how I caught 110 pips on Gbpjpy. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, next breakdown. Next time we have something nice, we're gonna break it down and look out for another video. I have a couple of videos planned out, lessons with value, especially with the time of the time of year it is with all these news bank holidays. Trading is gonna be at its most you know proficient time, right? With the market moving how it's supposed to move. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later when we take another dub. Deuces.